Exercise 4.5 of the chapter determinants. Now the question number 1 and 2 is find adjoint of each of the matrices in the exercises 1 and 2. We have to find the adjoint of these two matrices. Okay. Adjoint is the transpose of the cofactors of these elements. Okay. So first we have to find the cofactor A11. It means A11 matrix. It means minus 1 raised to power 1 plus 1, and the factor 1 and 1 element it is 4. It is 4. Minus 1 square is 1. It is 4. Now A12. A12 means first row, second column it is 3, and minus 1 raised to power 1 plus 2 and 3. It is minus 3. Okay. A21. Minus 1 raised to power 2 plus 1, and 1 means second row, first column it is 2, the cofactor is minus 2, and A22 means minus 1 raised to power 2 plus 2, and A22 is 1. Okay. Now it is the adjoint. Now adjoint of this matrix equal to the arrange like this: A11, A12, A21 and A22. Just transpose of the cofactors. A11 is 4, A21 minus 2, A12 minus 3 and A22 is 1. This is the adjoint of the given matrix. Just first we have to find the cofactors and then arrange like this. Okay. Next, question number 2. Now first we will find the cofactors. First cofactor A11. First row and first column, minus 1 raised to power 1 plus 1, and the matrix 3, 5, 0, 1. It is 3 minus 0, 3. This will be equal to 3. Next, A12. First row, second column. It is 2, 5 minus 2, 1. 2, 5 minus 2, 1, and the minus 1 raised to power 3. 1 plus 2, 3. It is 2 plus 10, 12, and minus 1. It is minus 12. Okay. Next, A13. A13 means minus 1 raised to power 4, and the determinant 1 and 3. It is 2, 3 minus 2, 0. 2, 3 minus 2, 0. It is 6. 0 plus 6. Now A21. Okay. A21 means second row and first column, minus 1, 2, 0, 1. Minus 1, 2, 0, 1, and minus 1 raised to power 3. 2 plus 1, 3. It is minus 1 and minus 1 it is 1. Okay. Next, A22. Just minus 1 raised to power 4. 2 means second row, second column. It is 1, 2, minus 2, 1. 1, 2, minus 2, 1. It is positive 1 plus 4, 5. Okay. 1 minus plus 5. Okay. Next, A23. Second row, third column. 1 minus 1 minus 2, 0. 1 minus 1 minus 2, 0. And minus 1 raised to power 5. It is 0 plus 2 minus 2 minus 1 plus 2. A31. It means minus 1 raised to power 4, and 3 means third row, first column. It is minus 1, 2, 3, 5. Minus 1, 2, 3, 5. It is minus 5, minus 6, minus 11. Now A32. Minus 1 raised to power 5 3, third row, second column, 1, 2, 2, 5. 1, 2, 2, 5. It means minus 1, 5 minus 4, 1 minus 1. And A3, 3, minus 1 raised to power 6. Third row, third column. Third row, third column, it is 1 minus 1, 2, 3. 1 minus 1, 2, 3. Equal to 3 plus 2, 5. Okay. Now the adjoint. Equal to. Now arrange A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, and A31, A32, and A33. Now the value is A11, A12, A13 means 3 minus 12, 6. 3 minus 12, 6. Second row, 1, 5, 2, 2, 1. 1, 5, sorry, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 1, 5, 2. And the third is 2 minus 11, minus 1, 5. This is the adjoint of the given matrix. Verify A into adjoint A equal to adjoint A into A equal to determinant A into I. In the exercises 3 and 4. For these two questions, verify this. 2 minus 4, 3 minus 6. Now the adjoint matrix is A11, A12, A21 and A22. It means A11 is first row, first column, it is minus 6. A21 second row, first column 3 but the minus 3. A12 first row, second column minus 4, it means 4. And 22. Now multiply A into adjoint A. A into adjoint A. Now find the product. A is 2 minus 4, 3 minus 6, and adjoint A is minus 6, 4, minus 3, 2. Multiply these two matrices, get 2 into minus 6, minus 12, 3 into 4, 12. In next, 2 into minus 3, minus 6, 3 into 2, 6. Minus 4 into 6, 24, minus 24, and 12 minus 12. It is 0, 0, 0. Okay. And the second side is again determinant of A. Determinant of A is 2 into minus 6 minus 4 into 3. 2 into minus 6 minus 3 into minus 4. It is minus 12 plus 12. Determinant A equal to 0. Okay. Now determinant A into I. This will also equal to 0. 0 into 1, 0, 0, 1. Equal to 0. This is the LHS equal to 0 and RHS is equal to 0. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS. Hence verified. Now the question number 4. This is the matrix 1, 3, 1, minus 1, 0, 0, 2, minus 2, 3. First we have to find the cofactors of A11. A11 is minus 1 raised to power 2 and A11 is 0, minus 2, 0, 3. It means it is equal to 0. Next A12. first row second column minus 1 raised to power 3, 1 plus 2 3, and first row second column it is 2, 3 minus 2 1 3, it is 9 plus 2 11, it is minus 11. Next A13 minus 1 raised to power 4, 1 plus 3 4, and first row third column it is 3 0 1 0, it is also equal to 0. Next A21 second row first column minus 1 raised to power 3, and second row first column minus 1 2 0 3, second row first column it is minus 1 2 0 3, it is minus 3 and minus 1 it is 3. Next A22 minus 1 raised to power 4, second row and second column eliminate, it is 1 2 1 3, 1 2 1 3, 3 minus 2 1, A22 is 1, and A23 minus 1 raised to power 5, second row third column 1 minus 1 1 0, it is minus 1 and minus 1 it is also equal to 1, minus 1 0 minus 1 plus 1 it is minus 1 plus 1. Okay, now A31 third row first column it is third row and first column minus 1 2 0 2, minus 1 2 0 2, minus 1 2 0 minus 2. Okay, now the value is minus 2, minus 1 2 it is 2. A32 minus 1 raised to power 5 and 3 2 third row second column 1 2 3 minus 2, it is minus 2 minus 6 minus 8 minus plus 8, and the last A33 minus 1 raised to power 5, 3 3 means 1 minus 1 3 0, 1 minus 1 3 0, it is 1 0 minus 1 plus 3. Okay, so these are the cofactors. Now the adjoint. Adjoint of A means here is A11, A12, A13, A21, A22 and A23 like this, and A31, A32 and A33. The adjoint equal to, now arrange, A11 is minus 11 0 3, sorry 0 minus 11 0, 0 0 minus 11 0, and the second 3 1 minus 1, 3 1 minus 1, and the A31 3 2 3 3 2 8 3. Now write 2 8 3. Okay, these are the adjoint of A. Now multiply A into adjoint A. A multiplied to adjoint of A. A is 131, 131 minus 1 0 0, 2 minus 2 3, and 0 3 1 minus 1 2 8 3. Now multiply and you will get, multiply like this, 1 0 11 0, it is 11. Next 3 minus 1 minus 2, it is also 0. 2 minus 8 minus 6 plus 6, it is also equal to 0. Okay. Next 3 0 0 0. 9 0 plus 2, it is 11, and 6 0 minus 6 0 0 0 0. 3 0 minus 3 0, and 2 0, 9 and 2 11. Okay, this is the A into adjoint A, and the determinant A, the value of determinant equal to, this is the A. Now the determinant is 1 into 0 into 0, 0 minus 0, minus 1, already minus 1 into 9 plus 2, 11, and 2 into 0, it is equal to 11. So we can write like this, determinant A equal to this. So now A into determinant A into I, it is also equal to 11, 1 0 0 0 1 0 and 0 0 1, equal to 11 0 0 0 11 0 and 0 0 11. It means LHS equal to RHS. Verified. Find the inverse each of the matrices if it exists. If it is exist means if the value of determinant A is not equal to 0, it means the inverse of the matrix is exist. Given in the exercise 5 to 11. These are the 7 questions. We have to find the inverse. So first we have to find the determinant of these matrices. If determinant is not equal to 0, it means inverse of these matrices exist. Okay. This is the matrix. First we have to find the determinant value. It means 2 into 3 minus 2 into 4. 6 plus 8, it is 14. It means this is not equal to 0. It means inverse exist. Inverse of the matrix exist. Clear? Now find the adjoint. Adjoint of A. It is capital A11, A12, A21 and A22. Just write the cofactors. A11 means positive, it is 3. A21 negative, negative of second row first column 2. A12 first row second column, it is 4, but it is in negative because the power is 3, and A22 is 2. 3 2 minus 4 2. ठीक है. The inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant value into adjoint of A. This will be equal to the 1 by 14, and matrix of adjoint A means 3 2 minus 4 2. This is the inverse of A. Just we have to find the determinant value and adjoint divided by the determinant. Second question number 6 is minus 1, minus 3 and 5 2. First the find the determinant of value is this. Minus 1 into 2 minus 5 into minus 3. It means 2 minus 15 minus 2 plus 15. It is 30. Not equal to 0. It means the inverse of this matrix adjust. Okay. Now first adjoint of A. Same 1 1, 1 2, 2 1, 2 2. These two values negative and these two positive. A11 first row first column is 2 minus 2 1, second row first column minus 1, it is plus 1. A12 first row second column. Minus 3, it means plus 3. And A22 is minus 1. A21, second row, first column is 5, minus 5. Okay. Now the inverse is 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. 1 by 13, 2, 3, minus 5, minus 1. This is the inverse. Now question number 7. This is the question number 7. First we have to find the determinant value. Determinant value is 1 into 2 into 5 minus 0 into 4. Minus 2, 0 into 5 into 0 into 4. Plus 3, 0 into 0 minus 2 into 0. The value is 2 5 are 10 only. All are 0. The value of determinant is 10. It is not equal to 0. Therefore, A inverse exists. Okay. Now find the adjoint. Adjoint के लिए क्या करेंगे? सबसे पहले कोफैक्टर्स निकालेंगे. A11 means minus 1 raised to power 2. And A11 is 2, 0, 4, 5 means 10. A12 0, 5, 0, 4. 0, 5, 0, 0, 4, 0, 5. 0, 4, 0, 5 equal to 0. Next A13 minus 1 raised to power 4. First row, third column, 0, 0, 2, 0. It is also equal to 0. A21, second row, first column, 2, 3, 0, 5. It is minus 10. Okay. Next, A22 minus 1 raised to power 4. 22 means 1305. 1305. It is 5. And A23 second row, third column, 1200. 1200. It is 0. Now 31, third row, first column, it is plus 4 power. It means 3, 2, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. It means 8 minus 6 is 2. And 8, 3, 2, it means minus. And third row, second column, 1304. 1304. It means minus 4. Plus 3, 3 means 1202. 1202. It is 2. Okay. Now the A inverse is 1 upon determinant A of adjoint A. Now just put the value. 1 by determinant value is 10. And now arrange A11 10 0 0 10 0 0. Next minus 10 5 0 and 2 minus 4 2. 2 minus 4 2. This is the A inverse. Okay. Next one. This is the matrix 1 3 5 0 3 2 0 0 minus 1. The determinant value A equal to 1 into 3 2 0 minus 1. It is minus 3. And which is not equal to 0. It means A inverse exists. First part is this. Next find A11, A12 and so on. 11 means plus 3, 2, 0, minus 1. It is minus 3. Okay. And A12 minus first row second column 3, 0, 5, minus 1. 3, 0, 5, minus 1. It is also 3. Next A12, A13 plus first row third column 3, 3, 5, 2. 3, 3, 5, 2. It is 6 minus 15. It is minus 9. Next A21 minus second row first column is 0, 0. It is equal to 0. A21 0. A22 second row second column 1, 0, 5, minus 1. It is equal to minus 1. And A23 minus second row third column 1, 0, 5, 2. 1, 0, 5, 2. It is equal to minus 2. Next A31 plus 31 third row first column 0, 0. 0, 0, 3, 0 equal to 0. A32 minus third row second column. Third row second column 1, 0, 3, 0. 1, 0, 3, 0. It is equal to 0. And now third A33 plus third row third column 1, 0, 3, 3. It is 3. Now the inverse 1 upon determinant A into adjoint of A. It is 1 upon minus 3 and the adjoint 1, 1, 1 to 1. Minus 3, 3, minus 9. Minus 3, 3, minus 9. 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2. 0, minus 1, minus 2. 0, 0, 3. 0, 0, 3. This is the A inverse. Question number 9. Find determinant A. It means 2 into 1 into minus 1 minus 0. And the second row 1, 4 into 1, 0 into minus 7. And the third 3 equal to 4 into 2 minus 7 into minus 1. It is minus 1, it is minus 2, 4 minus 4 and 4 into 8 into 3, 24. 20 minus 18. It is equal to 7. 8 minus 7, it is 1, it is 3. Minus 6, 3, minus 3. I forgot this. Okay. The determinant A equal to minus 3, it means minus 3 is not equal to 0. Therefore, A inverse exists. Now find the cofactors in the same manner. 1, 1, it means plus, minus 1, 0, 2, 1. It is minus 1, A, 1, 2, minus 1, 2, 4, 0, minus 7, 1. It is minus 4 and A, 1, 3 plus 4 minus 7 minus 1, 2. 8 minus 7, 1. And A, 2, 1 minus 1, 2, 2, 1. It is 1 minus 4, it is minus 1 minus 4 minus 3 and it is plus 3. And A22 second row second column plus 2, 3 minus 7 1. It means 2 plus 21 23. A23 minus 21 minus 7 2. It means 4 plus 7 11. It is minus 11. And A31 1 3 minus 1 0. Minus 1 1 3. Third row, first column, 1 3 minus 1 0. 1 3 minus 1 0. It is plus 3. A32 minus third row, second column, 2 3 4 0. 2 3 4 0 minus 12. Here minus 12 or minus plus 12. And A33 plus 2 1 4 minus 1. 2 1 4 minus 1. It is minus 2 minus 4 minus 6. Now the inverse. 1 by minus 3. And the adjoint is minus 1 minus 4 1 minus 1 minus 4 1 2 1 3 23 minus 11 and 3 12 minus 6 3 12. This is the A inverse. Find the determinant of this matrix. Question number 10. 1 4 2 is 8, 3 2 is 6. 8 minus 6, it is 2. Minus 1 and 0 minus 9 and plus 9 and 2 0 minus 6. Okay, it is 2 plus 9 minus 12. It is 11 and minus 1. It is not equal to 0, therefore A inverse exists. And in the same manner, find A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, 9, then A31, A32 and A33. And now write just A inverse equal to 1 upon determinant A of and adjoint of A. Okay, this is the process. Now first A11 plus 2 minus 3 minus 2 4. It is 8 minus 6. It is 2. Okay. Next minus 1 2. 0 minus 3 3 4. It is minus 9. It is plus minus 9. A13 plus 0 3 2 minus 2. It is minus 6. A21 minus 1 minus 2 and 2 4. It is minus 4 minus plus 4. It is 0. 2 2 plus 2 3 2 4. 2 3 2 4. It is 8 minus 6. It is minus 8 minus 6. It is 2. Sorry, 1 2 3 4. 4 minus 6. It is minus 2. And 2 3 minus second row, third column, 1 minus 1, 3 minus 2. It is minus 2 plus 3. It is 1 minus 1. A31 plus A31 is minus 1 2 minus 3. It is 3 minus 4 minus 1. And A32 third row, second column. third row second column 1 2 0 minus 3. It is minus 3 and minus minus plus 3. And A33 1 minus 1 0 2. It is 2. Now just put in the value in this. Inverse is 1 upon minus 1. It means minus 1. Adjoint of A is, start with here, 2 minus 9 minus 6. 2 minus 9 minus 6. Next 0 minus 2 minus 1. And third one minus 1 3 2. Minus 1 3 2. It is the adjoint inverse of A. So now you can multiply it by minus 1 in all the terms. Then you will get minus 2 0 1. Okay, 9 2 minus 3 6 1 minus 2. This is the inverse. Question number 11. The question number 11, 1 0 0 0 0 and this. Find the determinant. It is 1 minus cos square alpha minus sin square alpha. Take minus 1 common and sin square alpha plus cos square alpha equal to 1. It is the value of determinant A is minus 1. It is not equal to 0. Therefore, A inverse exists. Now find A11. A11 plus value cos alpha, sin alpha and minus cos alpha. It is equal to the minus cos square alpha minus sin square alpha. Okay, just next A12. First row, second column. It will equal to 0. I am writing here directly 0. Next, third A13. A13 first row, third column, this will also equal to 0. A21 second row, first column, second row, first column, 0 0 multiplied 0. A22 second row, second column, minus cos alpha only. Minus cos alpha. Okay. And the third one, A23 second row, third column is sin alpha. It is sin alpha. Now A31 third row, first column, it is 0. A32 third row, second column, sin alpha. It is minus sin alpha because 3 2 minus sin alpha. A23 minus sin alpha, A33 cos alpha. 3 2 minus sin alpha, 3 3 cos alpha. Now write the A inverse equal to determinant value and the A11. A11 is take minus common, sin square alpha plus cos square alpha, it is minus 1. Right here minus 1 0 0 0 minus cos alpha minus sin alpha, 0 minus sin alpha cos alpha, and multiplied by minus 1, change the sign of all the elements, and this is the inverse of A. Question number 12. Let A equal to matrix 3 2 7 5 and B equal to 6 7 8 9. Verify that inverse of AB equal to inverse of B into inverse of A. Okay, first we have to find the inverse of these two matrices. For finding the A inverse of this, first we have to find the determinant of A. Determinant of A is 3 into 5 minus 7 into 2. It is 1. Okay. Now the adjoint of A equal to the matrix AA, capital A yani 5, A12, A1, First row, second column, it is 2. It is minus 2, A12. And A21, 2, 1, it is 7. It is minus 7. And 2, 2 is 5. Here is the take minus sign because 1, 2 and 2, 1 and same. A11 is 5. A22 is 3. Sorry. A22 second and second 3. Now the A inverse equal to adjoint of A divided by determinant of A. The determinant of A equal to 1, therefore the adjoint A inverse is 5 minus 2 minus 7 and 3. And the second B, this is the B. We can find the determinant of B equal to 6 into 9 minus 8 into 7. 54 minus 56. It is minus 2. Okay. Now the adjoint of B. A11, it is 9. First row, eliminate just first row, first column, it is 9. A12, first row, second column, it is minus 7. And A21, second row, first column, it is 8, minus 8. And the last 6. Okay. And the B inverse equal to 1 by minus 2 and 9 minus 7 minus 8 6. If you want to multiply it by minus 2, it means it is minus 9 by 2, 7 by 2. It is 4 and minus 3. Okay, this is the B inverse. Now we have to prove the AB inverse. So first we have to find the AB inverse. For finding AB inverse, first we have to find the multiply of AB. It is 3275 and B equal to 6789. Now multiply these two matrices. First row, first column, 3 into 6 plus 7 into 7. Next 3 into 8 plus 7 into 9. 2 into 6 plus 5 into 7 and 2 into 8 plus 5 into 9. Okay. This will be equal to, it is 67, it is 87 and this one is 47 and 61. Now the AB inverse of this, it means first I have to find the determinant of AB. 67 into 61 minus 47 into 87. This will come to the equal to minus 2. Okay. Now the AB inverse. AB inverse is minus 1 by 2. Same A11 61, A12 47, A21 second row first column minus 87 and this will be 67. And this is the LHS. This is equal to the LHS. And now the RHS, B inverse, A inverse. B inverse is multiplying B inverse, A inverse. B inverse is minus 1 by 2, 9 minus 7 minus 8, 6. And A inverse is 5 minus 2 minus 7 and 3. Multiply these two matrices, you will get the 9 into 5 45 plus 16, it is 61. Same 9 7 is 63 minus 63 minus 24, it is minus 87. Minus 35 minus 12 is minus 47, and 49 plus 18, it is this one equal to the RHS. So hence LHS equal to RHS. Verify. AB inverse equal to B inverse into A inverse. Okay. Next question. If A equal to 3, 1 minus 1, 2, show that A square minus 5i plus 5a plus 7i equal to 0, and hence find A inverse. Okay. The first we have to find the A square. A square means A into A. 3 minus 1, 1, 2. Multiplied to 3 minus 1, 1, 2. This will equal to 3 into 3, 9, minus 1, it is 8. 3 plus 2, 5. Minus 3 minus 2, minus 5. And minus 1 plus 4, it is 3. This will equal to the A square. Okay. Now find the value of this. A square minus 5a plus 7i. It means A square is 8 minus 5, 5, 3 minus 5a. It means 5 multiplied in the each element, 15 minus 5, 5, 10. And 7i, 7 means, I means 7, 0, 0, 7. Now compile the groups. 8 minus 15 plus 7. First element. Second, 5 minus 5 plus 0. Minus 5 minus minus plus 5 plus 0, and 3 minus 10 plus 7. This will all equal to the 0. 0, 0, 0, 0. Hence proved equal to 0. And find A inverse. For finding A inverse is, first we have to find the determinant of A. The determinant of A is 8 into 3 minus 5 in, 3 into 2, 3 into 2 minus 1 into 1. 3 to the 6 plus 1, it is 7. Determinant A equal to 7. Now the next, inverse equal to adjoint of A. This will be the A11, cancel 2, A12 minus 1 and minus minus plus 1, and A11, A11, A12, A21, 21 is 1 minus 1, and A22, it is 3. And the A inverse equal to 1 by 7, 2, 1 minus 1, 3. Question number 14. For the matrix 3, 1, 2, 1, find the numbers A and B such that A square plus AA plus BI equal to 0. Okay. The matrix is 3, 1, 2, 1. A square equal to A into A. It is 3, 1, 2, 1. Multiplied to 3, 1, 2, 1. You will get 9 plus 2, 11. 3 to the 6 plus 2, 8. 3 plus 1, 4. And 2 plus 1, 3. 11, 8, 4, 3. 11, 4, 8, 3. Sorry. 11, 4. 3 to the 6 plus 2. Now put the values of A square plus AA plus BI. In this, A square is 11, 4, 8, 3. And AA means A multiplied in the each group A. 3a, 2a, a plus a. And bi means b 0, 0, b equal to 0. Now solve the equation. 11 plus 3a equal plus b equal to 0. And the 4 plus a equal to 4 plus a plus 0 equal to 0. It means a equal to minus 4. And put the value of a in this. 11 plus 3 into minus 4 plus b equal to 0. 11 minus 12 minus 1. b minus 1 equal to 0. b equal to 1. Question number 15. For the matrix 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, minus 3, 2, minus 1, 3. Show that a cube minus 6a square plus 5a plus 11i equal to 0. And hence find a inverse. Okay. This is the question. First we have to find the a square. A square equal to 1, 1, 2, 1, 2 minus 1, 1 minus 3, 3. And multiply to the same matrix 1, 1, 2, 1, 2 minus 1, 1 minus 3, 3. Now multiply and you will get the answer of a square. 1, 1, 1, they said 4, 2, 1. 3, 3 cancel 1. Now this 1 plus 2, 3. 3 minus 3 plus 6. Okay, minus 3. It is minus 3. This one 1 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 3, 8. Next 1 minus 6 minus 9. Minus 15, 1 minus 14. And this one is 2 minus 1 plus 6. 8 minus 1 is 7. And the same 2 minus 2 cancel. It is minus 3. And the last 2 plus 3, 5 plus 9, 14. This is a square. Now next find to a cube. 4 minus 3, 7. 2, 8 minus 3. 1 minus 14, 14. Multiply to the a. 1, 1, 2. 1, 2 minus 1. 1 minus 3, 3. And you will get the answer. This will equal to the a cube. I have solved. Now the put in the values a cube minus 6a square. A cube minus 6a square plus 5a plus 11i. Okay. Now write the matrices all. 8 minus 23, 32, 7, 27, minus 13, 1 minus 69, 58. Minus 6a square. It means 6 multiplied in the each group. 24, 12, 6. In the next group, minus 18, 48, and 14 into 6, 84 minus 6, 42, minus 18, 84. Plus 5a. It means 5 multiplied in the each element of a. This will equal to the 5, 5, 10, 5, 10, minus 5, 5, minus 15 and 15 plus 11i. It means 11, 0, 0, 0, 11, 0, 0, 0, 11. Now compute all the elements, first element and second element and all those. You will get 0, 0, 0. This will equal to 0. Now you can calculate like this. 8 minus 24 plus 5 plus 11 plus 5, 16. 24 minus 24 0. Like this all the elements will be equal to 0. Hence proved. And again we have to find the A inverse. For A inverse, first I have to find the determinant of A. The determinant of A is 1, 2 minus 3 minus 1 3 minus 1 1 2 minus 3 3 and plus 1 1 2 2 minus 1. Okay, you will get 3 to the 6 minus 3 3 3 plus 6 9, it is minus 9 and minus 1 minus 4 minus 5 minus 14 plus 3, it is minus 11. Determinant of A equal to minus 11. And the adjoint of A. For adjoint of A, we have to write the A11, A12 and A13. A21, A22, A23 and A31 cofactors A32 and A33. You will solve and find the values of A11 is this 3 minus 3 4 5 and 9 minus 1 minus 4 5 minus 3 minus 1. Okay, and that A inverse is minus, it is minus 1 by 11, it means minus symbol rather 1 by 11 and sorry, it will be 3 minus 4 symbol change, minus plus only, because the minus 1 is gone. Now the minus 1 by this minus will be multiplied, then you will get the minus 3 4 5 9 minus 1 minus 4 and minus 5 5 minus 3 minus 1. This will be the A inverse. You can find these factors and put the values. Question number 16. If A equal to 2 minus 1 1 minus 1 2 minus 1 1 minus 1 2. Verify that A cube minus 6A square plus 9A minus 4I equal to 0 and hence find A inverse. Okay, this is the question. First we have to find the A square of A. This will equal to the A into A. 2 minus 1 1 minus 1 2 minus 1 multiplied to self. 1 minus 1 2. We will get 2 into 2 4 plus 1 5 and 1 6. Second, minus 2 minus 2 minus 1, it is minus 5. And next 2 1, it is also equal to 5. Next multiply these two, we get minus 5. Next 6. Next minus 1 minus 2 minus 5 and third row and first column 2 plus 1 to 5 minus 1 minus 2 minus 2, it is minus 5 minus 1 plus 1 4, it is 6. This is the A square. Now find A cube. A square into A. 6 minus 5 5 minus 5 6 minus 5 5 minus 5 and 6 multiplied to 2 minus 1 1 minus 1 2 minus 1 and next 1 minus 1 and 2 1 minus 1, 2. Now multiply and get the values. I have already solved. Minus 21, it is 21, minus 21, 22, minus 21, 21 minus 21 and 22. Now put the values in this equation. A cube minus 6a square plus 9a minus 4i. Okay. A cube 22 minus 21, 21. Minus 6a square. 6 multiplied in the each group. It will be 6 into 6, 36, minus 30, 30, minus 30, 36, minus 30, 30, minus 30 and 36. It is equal to 6a square. Again 9a. 9 multiplied in the each element of a. 9 to the 18, minus 9, 9, minus 9, 18, minus 9, 9, minus 9 and 18. And last minus 4i. It means minus 4i means 4 0 0 0 4 0 0 0 4. Now add the elements. First A11 all the elements. 22 minus 36 plus 18 minus 4. It is 16 minus 16, it will get 0. If we solve, all the element will be equal to 0. Hence proved equal to 0. Okay, now you can check. Minus 21 plus 30 minus 9 minus 30 0. All the zeros. Now again we have to find the A inverse. Okay, how to find the A inverse? The equation is a cube minus 6a square plus 9a minus 4i equal to 0. Multiply A inverse both sides. It means a cube into A inverse, 6 into A square into A inverse, 9a into A inverse minus 4i into A inverse equal to 0 into A inverse is also equal to 0. It is A square minus 6a plus 9i equal to 4a inverse. Okay. Now put the values of all the elements. 4a inverse equal to a square. A square is the 6 minus 5, 5 minus 5, 6 minus 5, 5 minus 5, 6 minus 6a, 6 a multiplied to the 6 into 2, 12 minus 6, 6 minus 6, 12 minus 6, 6 minus 6 and 12 plus 9i. It means 9 I means 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Now compile the elements. 6 minus 12 plus 9. Second minus 5 plus 6 0. 5 minus 6 it is 0. Minus 5 plus 6 0. 6 minus 12 plus 9. And the last minus 5 plus 6. Next 5 minus 6 minus 5 plus 6 and this will equal to 0, and 6 minus 12 plus 9. Now solve. A inverse equal to 1 by 4. 15 minus 12 is 3. 15 minus 12, 3. 1 minus 1, 1, 3, 1, minus 1, 1 and 3. This is the A inverse. Okay. Question number 17. If A is the non-singular square matrix of order 3 by 3, then the adjoint A is equal to the determinant A square, A cube, and the B is the right option. It is determinant A square. And the question number 18. If A is an invertible matrix of order 2, then determinant of A inverse is equal to the determinant A, 1 by determinant A, 1 and 0. B is the right option, 1 upon determinant A. Okay.